We have dedicated the fundamental right to footpath, the right to walk. The issue is more fundamental. It is in recognition of the simple human activity, that is walking. While the right to walk is inextricably connected to our life, our constitution recognizes and guarantees it as a fundamental right. All citizens shall have a right to move freely throughout the territory of India. It is necessary, rather compelling, that we first disabuse our minds of associating this right to move only with movement on wheels. We have started walking on before wheels were put on our path. The primary right of movement under 19(1)(d) is the fundamental right to walk, the right that precedes the right to move on wheels, and this precious right must extend to guaranteeing access to safe and well demarcated footpaths. Citizens' fundamental right to walk on demarcated footpath is primary and shall have priority over movement by motorized roads. It's rather strange that we fail to focus on recognizing and securing the right to walk. It may be because wheels eclipsed our imagination and our municipal authorities were busy creating roads that were suitable for motorized vehicles. It could also be elitism, and to start with, for machines with wheels were only for the rich, but as economies progressed and cheaper motor vehicles were introduced, the entire spectrum of motorized transportation dominated the roads, pushed aside the walkers to the extent that they are treated as nuisance for the drivers who routinely run over the walkers and their footpaths. This should stop from now on, as we declare the fundamental right to walk on demarcated footpaths. Motor Vehicles Act has not been and has never been a statute that recognized the fundamental right to walk. In fact, Motor Vehicles Act has been an impediment and in many ways undermined the precious rights of the walkers. The absence of safe and comfortable footpaths to walk on, and even when they exist, their subjugation to motorized transport has been a civilizational problem. We have dealt with about the right in 21 and finally declared that the right to walk is a fundamental right under Part 3 of the Constitution. It is integral to the right to movement guaranteed under 19(1)(g). The fundamental right to walk will take within its feet the right to demarcated footpaths. These rights are primary and shall have priority over movement by motorized vehicles. The fundamental right to walk on demarcated footpath has a correlative duty. If the road exists, there must be a duty to ensure that there are demarcated, well-maintained footpaths for walkers. The duty bearers are the urban development authorities, municipal corporations, municipalities, and even panchayats, who must endeavor to demarcate, construct, maintain, and safeguard footpaths and other necessary pedestrian infrastructure, as walking is integral to the life. The violation of the right to walk on demarcated footpath will entitle the citizens to invoke constitutional legal remedies against duty bearers for restitution and compensation. This remedy is independent of the remedies that are available under the Motor Vehicles Act.